told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
It's the protein bread from Aldi. Yeah, right. It's just like bird seed that I like. 4 to 6. Yeah, so there's not so much hiking fun in it. There's no trade, that little bit of overgrowth, it's like there's no park at all. Oh, good, you know, even good trail runners in Europe. No, just not good. I don't understand. Oh, yeah. Big walks, really big walks. Orange that you find, and she's developed this path. You've got to find the white rocks. I've got to go to the hairdresser, and that's critical, James, if they get that right. And you just walk into Google Translate and then to your head, mate.
I know, but it means I can stop for 5 seconds.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, like a massage. It'll be fun when I look back on it. You're getting lots of bum shots.
No, I'm trying not to. Going up to Mount Walsh.
Is easiest to get up is either that crevice there or that crevice there.
Okay. Just don't step in that water. Look at that.
That elated look of people's photos.
Yeah.
I sometimes wonder, like, is that sheer terror?
Do you know what? I wonder if some of the safety crew who, well, obviously they're hikers to be able to get in and save people, bloody start doing.
I'm going to have to edit that out.
How did you get in? And there was a bit of a crevice. He goes, this is private. I said, didn't say at the bottom. I thought it was a wall. He had a nice big black shiny car. I just said, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I'm thinking mafia.
Yeah.
Okay, you really...
Yeah, you got a bit of
It's
everything.
definitely a good hike.
It's a little like Fenders.
Got a bit of adventure, a bit of navigation.
So this is the summit, Mount Walsh. Made it up. Took us an hour and 26 minutes and it's 1.8k.
Have you ever done that one where you take a panorama and someone's at the beginning and then they run behind you and they're at the end?
I've seen that
Done, yeah. I can't see it.
That's right. Which is
It's really dark.
yeah, it's just silhouetted, isn't it? I'll do the salute. I found another little boulder to stand on. There's heaps of boulders up here. I can stand up on one, get some photos.
Wow, look at that.
I had to take a panoramic from up here.
Going down the slab. through this little bit of an overgrown bit. And a pretty good hike. Been going just over 3 hours. We're off to do another one now. Up the road. First I think we're going to stop in town and have something from the bakery, maybe grab some more water. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe.
Couldn't see ya.
I was just doing
Too
my
green.
I was just doing my end bit.
I'm gonna pink you up.